Welcome to this video. We continue with the if statement, but now I'll introduce you to something more interesting. It's something between a loop and if statement. You have seen the for loop. For loop repeats something certain number of times. But we'll talk about something called while. While loop repeats and create a loop, but keep that loop while the condition is true or yes. Let's look at our example about the insurance. Assume we want the user to keep entering the age, enter 45, get 500, 60, enter 500, 30, get 300, and continue entering the data. No need to rerun the program. The program ask you for the first data and give you the result, then ask you for the second data and continue until the user enters 0. If the user enters 0 or minus value, it stops the program. So the program will stop in that case. So how we do that? We use while. So how while works? While require a condition. So we can say while age is more than 0. While the user is still entering a value that is more than 0, continue this loop. So that one, then what it will do, it will go to the process of the data, then it will go back and keep going into that loop forever until the user enter 0 or minus. Then it will exit and go to the other line and continue the program without continuing the loop, goes to the next step. So how this will help us with our example of the insurance, as I said, want the user to continue entering numbers until the user want to stop. So this company can keep that program running, and every customer come ask for the age, then find the price. No need to run it again and again. I know this is a very simple program because you're learning the basics, but later this knowledge you can use it in a more advanced programs. Concept is the same, and the concept is very important. So let's look at our program. The function is the same, we're not changing anything. The only thing changing is down here, this area. So we'll use while age more than 0, colon, and then we'll put the code for inputting the data and changing it to integer, then calling the function. So this will continue running. Now, the age now, what is the value of age now? It's unknown because we still did not call the function. So what we will do, we'll add the line before that. We'll set the age as 1, just to make sure there is a value for the age. So we're assigning a value or initiating a value for the age. So age equal 1, and then this is the while loop. And this while loop now will continue while the user input is not 0 or more than 0. So let's run it now. We will enter 45, we're getting 500. Now it's asking us again to enter another value. 35, getting 300. 20, we're getting 300. Now let's put 0, then the program stopped. So now this while loop allows us to repeat the code. It continue running, while the condition is true, while the user is still entering something more than 0. This is the while. It's a mix between the loop and conditions or selections, and it's very powerful, used in so many applications to repeat until a certain value change or an event happen into your program. Thank you for listening.